Esports fell 92% in just a couple of hours a few days ago, and that infuriates me. Okay, it infuriates me because a lot of innocent people have lost a lot of money. It is said over here that over $110 million were wiped out. Over $110 million were wiped out in a matter of hours. These are innocent people believing in crypto, believing that they want to change their life to the better by trying to trade, invest, whatever, right? And they got hosed just because they don't understand how to utilize crypto in their favor. This crypto video is for you, for anyone that wants to use crypto for their advantage and wants to make sure that this doesn't happen for them. And if this happened to you right now, I'm sorry. Listen to this very carefully because I'm here to help. Okay, three things are going to happen right now. First, I'm going to talk a little bit about what happened. Second of all, I'm going to show on the chart how this could have been avoidable, a few tactics. And third, by the end, you're going to understand how to actually use this into your advantage. Okay, so let's talk about what happened. Look at this. This is from Mexi exclusive esports developers office, nearly disaster, 33% crash, blah blah blah. It is said somewhere over here, okay, that on-chain shows that, on-chain evidence, all right, points to manipulation. If you read this carefully, I'll read it a little bit. It says over here that they might have rugged this coin or at least did some things. For example, like moving coins from a multi-sig signature address by the developers, owners of this coin, whatever, into other places, swapped it into BNB, whatever. Okay, doesn't have a good look, has all the bad words, manipulation. There's like rug over here somewhere also. Let's do the control V, rug. You're gonna find the rug. Where is the rug? Just to make sure that rug, I think rug is with a U actually, sorry. Rug. All right, here you have the rug pull word over here. All the bad things that we don't want to see as crypto enthusiasts, right? Think about the damage that something like this does over and over again. Didn't we suffer enough damage, like the FTX fiasco, Luna fiasco back in the past cycle? What happened this cycle? No one talks about Mantra, OM, things like that imploded. All right, this is just nefarious, bad. And what it is said over here that they made like maybe $13 million. Yes, it's a lot of money, but you've ruined people. Remember, they took $110 million, poof, into mid-air just because they swiped and whatever, right? So this was wiped off innocent people. I'm innocent as well. I'm just a person wanting to improve my lifestyle. You're innocent also. You want to improve your lifestyle. So someone just like us got hosed, and I hate it. I hate it. I don't like it. All right. So now that we have this, we understand what happened. Let's go and look at the chart a little bit, okay? Because as you can see, this is a relatively new coin. Okay, this is the logo of the YOLO Labs or whatever. It, incepted in Binance in July 2025, so less than a year long, right? Right over here, this is July. And as you can see, as of a few days ago, it imploded way below even the inception price or the IPO or IDO price, whatever you want to call it. It just imploded. Look at this. Let's zoom in over here. Let's actually zoom into the 15-minute chart. Let's see how the 15-minute chart looked like. Look, it all happens so fast, okay? And the fact that it happens so fast tells you something, okay? Tells you this is something nefarious, something bad. Look, 15 minutes candle, boom. Let's see this 15-minute candle, right? Just this 15. They started with artificially buying it, and then rugged it. 62% in the first 15 minutes, right? And then the second 15 minutes, 67%. And so in half an hour, it lost 80 something percent in the first half hour. This is just bad, right? Pure, maybe even evil, all right? Maybe even evil. And again, I hate this because what I know is that crypto for us regular folks, right, is a vehicle, right, to a means, all right? We want to improve our lifestyle. We just want to get We just want to get, better at life. Okay? And this is not helping at all. Nothing in this chart or whatever, in the article, in the chart, nothing shows you, oh, this is cool, this is okay. No, it all shows that this was not okay, probably artificially, manufactured, but I don't know who. The article says it might be inside a job. I don't know. I don't read on chain. I don't try to look at the addresses. It's all what the article said. But, and this is the thing, what I'm saying is this is avoidable. 100% this is avoidable, okay? The one thing that you need to change is you need to stop thinking about finding that one coin that will save your life, okay, that will change your life. It's not about the one coin, okay? It is just about finding an edge, finding a repeatable set of circumstances that you can invest in, trade, whatever you want to call it, that will lead to a positive outcome in the mid and long run. Okay, and by the way, I created something beautiful, something really easy, 2-3 minutes, you can do it. All you need to do, it's a quiz, all right? It's a quiz. All you need to do, you can find it in the first comment and in the description. It will take you to the what type of crypto investor are you, right? This will help you. This is for you, right? You take the quiz, 2-3 minutes, questions, professional questions, and you find out what type of investor are you, okay? And why is this good? Because A, if you are, for example, one of the five, you get one of five. One out of five is bag holder, for example, right? If you're a bag holder, then you learn what are your weaknesses and what are your strengths, and you know how to change your weaknesses, okay, or bulletproof them, for example, not just hold. I will talk about this in a second, how you can tactically change this, and also how you can lean into your strength, right? So link in the description, first comment, go take this quiz, 2-3 minutes, and that is it. You will learn how to improve your own investing. Okay, now back to the chart. Okay, so as we said, this was bad, nefarious, whatever you want to call it, on a new coin, right? I hate it, okay? Now, 100% avoidable, right? How was this avoidable? Really easy, okay? Let's say you are a crypto trader investor, right? Now, I don't know where you bought. Let's say you bought at the first day, you bought later, you bought here, you bought here, you bought here, you bought here. And then, all of a sudden, you struck lightning and this happened, okay? You broke out of all-time highs. You were very extremely happy, over here for sure. This is happy land because it's at all-time highs, and you bought whatever, right? It doesn't matter where you bought. If it's at all-time highs, you should be happy, all right? You should be happy. Now, what can you do to mitigate risks? Okay, now I will tell you one thing: whenever a coin goes to new all-time highs, you don't want to let it, you don't want to just hold it. You want to learn how to use something that is called a stop loss. All right, now I know that some of you think, oh, stop loss is for whatever. You have like this dumb belief system. I'm sorry, I'm calling it dumb, but it's true. Oh, a stop loss, I can get stopped out and then it will go in my favor and blah blah blah. Sure, can happen. But what is better? That every now and then you get stopped out with profit usually, and then the coin will go even more in your favor and you lost potential profits. Okay, yeah, you won't be happy. I'm not happy about that. Or it saves you from getting all your money lost in half an hour. Poof, $110 million wiped out of this coin, right? It will save you from this. Okay, so all you need to do is find ways to build tactically into your trading a trading stop loss. Okay, easy trading stop loss, or I'm going to put this in red, for example, is when you build a pivot, for example, let's say you invested, then broke it to all-time highs, right? You can wait for it to create, for example, this low over here, all right? I'm going to mark this so you can see it. Now, let's say we don't know what's going to happen yet. We're going to take this, we're going to do this, and only this happened so far. And actually now you still need to be happy because at least from my read, I'm looking at this chart, okay? Maybe some of you don't understand charts, and that's okay. You don't need to understand it. But you're happy over here because you're at new all-time highs and price is doing okay. So it should not penetrate the new all-time high and penetrate the stop, which is 30% give back. It's also quite big, all right? And then look what happens, okay? Just in a few awkward, boom, look, in just a few awkward moves, boom, got stopped out, smashed. You got stopped out here, all right? With somewhat of profit, maybe not the profit you had over here, because hey, maybe you're not the ones of taking profits. I do take profits into strength, but that's a whole different thing. I'm not going to talk about all the tactics that I use in order to become who I am. By the way, you see it over here, right? I'm a top 10 finisher of the US Investing Championship for 2025. Number 8 out of 576. I traded crypto. Most people trade stocks over there, but it doesn't matter. I traded crypto. I came in at number 8. Okay. Why? Because I do this for a living. This is my vocation. This is my passion. Okay. If you want to do something similar like me, you just need to follow me over here. Smash the like button, subscribe. Help me with the algorithm. Subscribe now. A lot of you watch without subscribing. If you watch so far, please subscribe. Okay. So you understand that it's I'm professional, right? This comes to show you that I'm a professional at what I do. I love it. It's my passion. I really love it. And I'm angry, right? I'm really angry whenever I see something like this where people lost potentially all their investment in esports just because they didn't use really easy tactics, all right? Really easy tactics like a stop loss. You don't need to be too tight. Look, this wasn't a tight stop loss, but this was a very making sense stop loss. And it could have been saved because crypto is a 24 hours 7 market, okay? And you just can't be awake for every move that happens. And probably you don't want to because you have a life, you have a job, you have a family or whatever, right? Most of you that watch me are at least 25 or more. Most of you actually are 35, between 35 and 44, right? Just like me, I'm almost 40 this year. I'm coming. So you understand life. You can't be on the markets all the time. This losing all your positions. Some people put all their invested money, all their bucket in one coin. Losing all of this in just one coin, regardless if it's esport, OM back a few months ago, Luna a few years ago. It doesn't matter. It happens all the time. This is crypto. You had, unfortunately, there are scams over here. By the way, penny stocks and stock market also have scams. It doesn't mean that you can't be profitable and have a lot of success. You can, okay, but you just need to be aware of the right tactics, right strategies to what to do. So, how can you do that? Easy. What you need to do, again, you should go take the crypto investor test 2 3 minutes, find out what type of investor are you, what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths. Make sure something like esports doesn't happen to you because I'm going to give you actionable items how to make sure that you don't lose like this. And if you want to invest in yourself even more, because this quiz is 100% free, but if you want to invest in yourself and want to join my membership where I give all my signals, you can come, link in the description. Either join the elite VIP with me and my partner CM. Both of us are at home retail traders, but successful, trading over a decade each of us, right? Separately. This is our vacation. This is what we love doing. If you want to join, come join. It's in the description. We share all our market updates, videos, writings, what to do, what not to do, courses, signals, our trades. Everything is right over there, and I invite you to come and join. But if you don't want to, that's okay. Take the quiz free of charge, learn more, invest in at least a little bit about your knowledge. I'll see you the next time. Thank you very much. Make sure this doesn't happen to you. Please, I really am asking, just don't let this happen to you, right? Use good tactics, risk management tactics that will save you. Until next time, no edge, no trade. Cheers.